Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a welcome sign using items from the Dollar Tree. So this is a welcome sign that I made for my baby's first birthday party, and I wanted to come here and show you how I did it. So the items I used were a foam board, flowers, a hot glue gun, and some letters from Walmart and Michaels. My flowers are from Facebook Marketplace, but every other thing that I got came from the Dollar Tree. So without any waste of time, guys, let us get into the video and let me show you how. Here I have my foam board that I've cut to my desired size. You can use it just as it is from the store, but I decided to cut it to fit my need. Then I'm going to go ahead to prepare my flowers and get them ready to be glued onto the foam board. Now that my flowers are ready, I'm going to first of all start by placing them onto my foam board in the desired location and make sure that I'm satisfied with the look before I start gluing them onto the foam board. I'll also try as much as possible to link some of the items that I used in the description box in case you need them. Now that my flowers are well placed and I think I love what I'm seeing, I'm going to get my hot glue gun that I connected already, and I'll start gluing my flowers onto my foam board. When gluing the flowers, make sure that you are not putting too much of the glue onto the flowers. If not, it's going to make your flowers to be hanging up, and you don't want that. You want your flowers to be well placed and well glued onto the foam board. That way they look presentable. So just play around with your flowers until you're satisfied with your look and with what you're looking for or what you want, and then you can move on to the next thing. Again, I would say that when you are doing this with the hot glue gun, please be careful because you can get burned. I got myself burned several times while doing this, but it was worth it. I love the results at the end, but I'm not saying that you should go and burn yourself. Don't do that. Just be careful and make sure that you don't get yourself burned while doing this. Be conscious of the fact that it is hot. So I'm going to move on to the next angle because I wanted to have it on two angles of my foam board. I'll move on to the next angle and I'll try to do the same thing that I did on the first angle. So I'm just going to start by placing my flowers again. At this point, I don't need to place my flowers on the foam board before I start gluing, because I can just look at the first angle and then I replicate what I did before. This is because I want my flowers to be uniform. I want my foam board to look the same, or to look uniform and not be having a lot of distractions. I tried as much as possible to get my flowers on both sides to be the same. They might not be exactly the same, but they are very much alike. That way my design is well presentable. So once I'm done placing my flowers and gluing them, I'm going to get a ruler and I'll draw straight lines to make sure that when I place my letters, they're going to be straight and they will look good. I did this first on the first foam board and I messed it up because my lines were horrible, so my husband opted to help me do the second one. Yes guys, as you can see, we are done placing our flowers and it looks beautiful. At this point we are going to put our letters and write whatever you want to write. It depends on you. This one I did it for my baby's first birthday, so you can see my husband just helping me to make sure that everything is straight. He's very meticulous when he's doing things. He makes sure that it is very straight. He came with his pencil and his ruler and he drew it and made sure that it was very straight before he started placing the letters onto the board. And at this point we are done, and I love this welcome sign, guys. It went so well with the theme of the party, which was Little Miss Wonderful. Okay guys, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.